Is your PC lagging, crashing, or showing random errors? Many of these issues can be caused by outdated or missing drivers. Drivers are the software that help your hardware communicate with your Windows operating system software. That's where Auslogics Driver Updater 2.0 comes in. Today, we'll look at this software, see how it works, and find out if it's worth scanning your PC's drivers. Let's get started. Keeping your drivers up to date is crucial for smooth PC performance, gaming stability, and preventing system crashes. But manually updating drivers through Device Manager can be time-consuming, confusing, and even frustrating. Auslogics Driver Updater 2.0 is a lightweight but powerful software designed to automatically detect and update outdated drivers. It helps fix system instability, slow performance, and hardware compatibility issues. So what does it update? Graphics drivers. This ensures smooth video playback and gaming performance. Audio and sound drivers. It can fix no sound issues and improves audio quality. Network and Wi-Fi drivers. It can help solve slow internet and connectivity problems. Printer, USB, and motherboard drivers. It can help prevent hardware malfunctions. Outdated drivers can cause blue screen of death, BSOD errors, Wi-Fi disconnections, and even system crashes. That's why keeping them updated is important. Now let's walk through how to update your drivers using Auslogics Driver Updater 2.0 in just a few easy steps. First, let's go grab the software installer for Driver Updater. You can visit Auslogics' official website or just snag the download from our link in the video description. Next, click Scan to detect outdated, missing, or broken drivers. After the scan, the tool will list all outdated drivers along with recommended updates. Click Update All Drivers to install the latest drivers automatically. This process saves time, reduces errors, and prevents Windows crashes. Unlike manually updating drivers through Device Manager, Auslogics finds the right drivers automatically from verified sources. Another nice thing to mention is that Auslogics Driver Updater includes a built-in driver backup feature, so you can restore previous versions if something goes wrong with an update. Lastly, restart your PC to apply the updates. Your drivers are now fully updated, and your system should be most stable. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of Auslogics Driver Updater 2.0. Pros: one-click driver updates, no manual searching required. Huge driver database, covers all major brands and hardware components. Backup and restore feature, allows safe rollbacks if needed. Cons: free version has limited updates. Full functionality requires premium. Some drivers require a restart, can be inconvenient for some users. Speed: the initial driver scan and updating can take quite a while. While Auslogics Driver Updater 2.0 is a great tool, the free version may limit you on how many drivers you can update at once. If you need full access, you may want to consider upgrading to the Pro version. So, is Auslogics Driver Updater 2.0 worth using? If you're tired of manually searching for drivers, dealing with device errors, or experiencing slow performance, this tool is worth a try for sure. Download it today. Again, we'll put a link in the description. I hope you found this video on Auslogics Driver Updater helpful. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more tech tips. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.